Hi guys, it's me Harini again from Filtered Recipes. Today's recipe is going to be like a baking recipe, which is kids' ultimate favorite and also for grown-ups. It's going to be a chocolate chip cookie. It's an ultimate chocolate chip cookie because it has got Nutella filling inside. The molten like melty Nutella, when you open it, it's like just amazing. Everyone should try this recipe. And again, I'll be showing both on stove top and in the oven so that anyone can bake this. It's quite very simple recipe and make ahead recipe as well. So let's get started.
In a bowl, I have taken some butter. All the measurements of the ingredients are listed down in the description box. Please check. And to the softened butter, I'm going to add like some brown sugar and white sugar and mix them well until it's creamy. Butter shouldn't be too melty. It has to be just in room temperature soft. Look how nice and creamy it is. At this stage, I'll be adding an egg and the vanilla essence. Blend the egg really very well. Mix until well combined. Now I'll be adding all the dry ingredients. It's plain flour or Maida, corn flour, baking soda and some salt. Mix in well. Once it's all combined, now I'll be adding some chocolate chip or chopped chocolate. You can add any kind of chocolate, dark, milk, anything. And mix well. I'm not adding in too much of chocolate as there's going to be Nutella filling inside. I'm going to refrigerate this mix for like 20 minutes. So I'm going to mold this into shapes now. I've got some Nutella freezed in the mold so that it's quite easy to handle. I'm going to dust my hand with some plain flour so that the dough is not too sticky. I'm taking a handful of dough and flattening it and placing the Nutella inside. You can see how easy it is to handle Nutella when it is freezed. I'm going to refrigerate this for another 1 hour. To bake it in stove top, so I've taken a pan and added some salt to it and a barrier to place the plate on. Cover this and preheat for like 20 minutes in medium heat. And now that's our chilled cookie dough. That's for the stove top. And I'm going to save some for the later. So I'll be freezing this. You can freeze this up to a month. So anytime you need cookie, you can just lay them to room temperature and bake. This is going to go inside the oven, in the preheated oven for 180 degree to 10 to 13 minutes. And this is our hot cookie out. The top still it will be like a bit soft, but it's not undercooked. It's perfectly cooked. After a few minutes it will get hard. Let it cool down for a bit. And that's our cookie from stove top, and this one is from the oven. Now it's the moment of truth. I'm going to break this into half. It's still too soft. You can see how nice and gorgeous it looks. The cookie is still hot. That's why it's breaking, but after a few minutes it will be perfectly fine.
So that's it. That's my very simple chocolate chip cookie recipe. I know everyone want to try this right now. Trust me, it tastes so good. I filtered so many recipes, done so many experiments to get this one. It's just must try recipe, I would say again. So see you guys in my next video. Until then, it's bye bye from Harini from Filter.